In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your PIN on Messenger. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to go open your Messenger application. Now tap on the upper left corner of the screen, the three lines icon, and tap on the gear icon beside your name. Now from here you want to scroll down and select Privacy and Safety. Now here select end-to-end encrypted chats, select message storage, and from here just underneath the security methods section, you will see a setting to reset your PIN. So simply tap on reset PIN and create your new PIN and tap on submit in the upper right corner of the screen and you're all set. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.